The 8 superfoods that naturally cleanse your liver. Did you know that the liver is responsible for over 500 functions in the body? As the biggest gland in the body, the liver does many vital jobs to keep you alive and at peak health. Most notable among those 500 jobs are storing vitamins and iron, converting stored sugar to usable sugar when the body's sugar levels fall below normal, destroying old red blood cells, and producing bile to break down and digest fats. Those 500 jobs take energy, so your liver cells are packed with mitochondria. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants providing energy to our cells. When our mitochondria start to decline with age or illness, our livers can sometimes bear the brunt of this. There are as many as 2,000 mitochondria in every living cell, and without them running at 100%, our livers aren't able to effectively detoxify our blood or properly metabolize the food we eat. Luckily, those functions can be supported by choosing the right diet and supplementing it with Mitiq Liver, a formulation containing Mitiq, Silphos milk thistle, selenium, and vitacholine. Mitiq recharges our mitochondria with targeted CoQ10 antioxidants, which help to neutralize free radicals and reduce the damage they can do to our cells. The liver helps to detoxify the blood to get rid of harmful substances, and that's where the right superfoods can help. These harmful substances are most commonly due to lifestyle factors such as alcohol, tobacco, beauty products, and processed and fried foods, especially when consumed in large quantities. Other taxing chemicals are harder to avoid, like pollution, prescribed drugs, viruses, and the natural byproducts of metabolism. The liver requires large amounts of micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to be able to perform its processes, and many of those micronutrients can be found in common foods. Incorporating a selection of superfoods into your diet, you can naturally cleanse and protect this hard-working organ. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800+ beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. Here is our list of the top 8 superfoods to naturally detox and cleanse your liver. 1. Tea. Tea is widely considered to be beneficial for health, but evidence has shown that it may have benefits for the liver. A study based in Japan found that drinking 5 to 10 cups of green tea a day was associated with improved blood markers of liver health. This may be down to a compound known to assist liver function named catechin. Green tea is packed full of this plant antioxidant. Just be mindful of green tea extract as it can have a negative effect. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. This includes, but is not limited to, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale. These vegetables are a major source of glutathione, which triggers the toxin-cleansing enzymes of the liver. Eating cruciferous vegetables will increase the production of glucosinolate in your system, which helps flush out carcinogens and other toxins. 3. Turmeric. In addition to its use as a spice and pigment, turmeric has been used in India for medicinal purposes for centuries. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it has powerful biological properties. This spice helps the enzymes that flush out toxins and contains antioxidants that repair liver cells. It also assists the liver in detoxing metals, while boosting bile production. 4. Citrus. While also providing a big hit of vitamin C, citrus fruits stimulate the liver and aid in the synthesizing of toxic materials into substances that can be absorbed by water. Grapefruit is particularly beneficial as it contains 2 primary antioxidants, naringin and naringenin. These may help protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver cells. 5. Beetroot. Beets also contain vitamin C and a healthy dose of fiber, which are both natural cleansers for the digestive system. But more impressively, beets assist with increasing oxygen by cleansing the blood and can break down toxic waste to help them be excreted quicker. They stimulate bile flow and boost enzymatic activity. 6. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amounts of selenium. Selenium is an essential micronutrient that has been shown to help boost the natural antioxidant enzyme levels in our livers. Supplementing with selenium gives our livers even more ammunition in the fight against the damage caused by oxidative stress. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, which supports normal liver cleansing actions, especially when detoxifying ammonia. 8. Olive oil. Although it is fat, olive oil is considered a healthy fat. Cold-pressed organic oils such as olive, hemp, and flaxseed offer great support for the liver, providing the body with a liquid base that can suck up harmful toxins in the body. It has also been shown to decrease the levels of fat in the liver. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.